Wow, I am finally here. New York City is big. So many people, so many sounds. Okay, calm down, Alina. You need your map. Where is your map? My map is in my backpack, my blue backpack, my favorite backpack. Just 1 second. I look at the map, then I go, easy. Wait. My backpack. Where is my backpack? It was here, right here. Take it? Did I drop it? No! I need to search. Where can it be? I can't lose it. Excuse me, did you see my backpack? No? Okay, thank you. Think, Alina, think. What color? Blue. What size? Medium. What's inside? Everything. Wait, what is that? Is it a cat? No, it's a monkey! Hey, that is my backpack. Give it back. Stop running. Stop jumping. Stop being naughty. No. Please do not open that. That is my food, not your food. Hey, what are you doing? Come back here. Come down now. I will catch you. I can jump. Okay, maybe not very high.
Momo, stop! You shouldn't do that. Behave, Momo.
You know this monkey?
Yes, he is my monkey. His name is Momo.
Momo is very naughty. He took my backpack.
Momo, come here.
Give it back to me now. This is mine, not yours. My map, my clock. Okay, everything is here. This is good.
I am so sorry. Take this coin for my apology.
Oh, it's all good. Thank you. A monkey took my backpack. Can you believe that? Do you like monkeys? The New York street is so busy. So hungry. My stomach says, eat now. I need some food. I want pizza. I want a big pizza. This is my pizza. I will eat it slowly. Nice and slow. Wow, this is a giant pizza. I can finish the whole one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many toppings. Wait, what? Do you see that? A dog on a skateboard? That dog is funny. That dog is fast. Oh, this is not good. Why is he looking at my pizza? Hey, don't come close. Hey, that is my pizza. Stop right now. Give it back. That pizza belongs to me. Come back here. He is too fast. The dog on the skateboard is so fast. Run, Alina. Left, right. Do not stop. Wait, he is not eating it. He has the pizza, but he is not eating it. No, be careful. Do not drop it. He is very careful. He is protecting the pizza. Too fast, too fast. Wait for me. You cannot take my pizza like that. Where is he going? Why does he take my pizza but does not eat it? Where is it here? I am following him. Oh, many puppies. Are these your puppies? You took my pizza. For your babies. They are hungry, and you bring food for them. You are such a good mom. I am happy you have it. You are not a bad dog. You are a good dog.
Oh no, I am so sorry. Did my dog take your food?
Yes, but it's okay.
She always brings food to her puppies. This isn't the first time.
I see. But she is a very good mom, isn't she?
Take this. This book is for you.
Oh, you don't have to. Thank you. Eat well, little puppies. Goodbye. Have you ever seen a dog on a skateboard? And do you think those puppies are adorable? Tell me in the comments.